Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Call of Duty Black Ops 6 multiplayer offline. However, it is crucial to understand that Black Ops 6 requires a constant internet connection for all game modes. This means you cannot truly play any part of the game, including the single-player campaign or local multiplayer matches against bots, without being connected to the internet. The primary reason for this online requirement is the game's use of texture streaming. Black Ops 6 streams high-fidelity visuals directly to your console or PC, rather than requiring you to download all of them upfront. This innovative approach helps to manage the game's substantial storage footprint, but it necessitates a continuous internet connection to access and display these essential graphical elements. For those hoping to enjoy local split-screen or private matches against artificial intelligence bots without an internet connection, Black Ops 6 presents a new reality. These modes, traditionally available offline in previous Call of Duty games, now also require a continuous online connection. This is a notable shift, meaning the traditional offline multiplayer experience, as many know it, is no longer available. Ultimately, this means players must always have a stable internet connection to enjoy any aspect of Call of Duty Black Ops 6. There is no workaround for playing multiplayer, or even the campaign, in a completely offline state. While this decision aims to deliver top-tier visuals and minimize storage, it fundamentally changes how players can access and experience the game's content.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.